In this lecture, we will learn how to write a Hello World program using Python. A tradition in computer programming is that whenever a programmer is learning a new language, the first thing that they learn to do is print Hello World to the console. In Python, this is quite simple. First, we type the print function, which is the word print, followed by a set of opening and closing parentheses. This function is responsible for printing output to the console in Python, and is one of the most common functions that you will use when writing Python code. Inside of the parentheses, we type the string we would like to output to the console. In this case, that will be Hello World. Then we will run the code by hitting the Run button. As you can see, the result is that Hello World was printed to the PyCharm console. Note that strings in Python can be surrounded in double quotes or single quotes. Both will yield the same result. Python is different from languages like C# and Java in that it treats single quoted strings the same as double quoted strings. In C# and Java, single quotes are used for characters, but not strings. So we could change the double quotes to single quotes. Then we will run the code again. As you can see, the result is that the string Hello World was logged to the console, just like it was in the last example. For those of you with prior programming experience, this is probably one of the easiest programs you have ever written. If this is the first time you've ever wrote code, this may still seem a tad confusing. Just in case, I've added a small hands-on coding exercise where you will put the skills you just learned to the test. Next up is the Hello World coding exercise.